for completing the task? Have you estimated the total time?
I think, sir, 1 minute 47 seconds. 1 minute 29 seconds.
You're sure 129 or 147?
129, sir.
Okay. Internal coordinators to kindly confirm the timings. May I request internal coordinator?
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right. Can you please confirm?
I'm not confirmed, sir.
No, I'm requesting the internal coordinator to kindly confirm the exact recorded time.
Okay, sir. We have calculated.
That's great.
And yes.
And it is in conformance with 1.29.
No. Exactly, Bhanu. It's 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Okay, you have taken.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Bhanu, it has violated the track once, but you have reasonably done very well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. My co-pattern to comment, if any.
Yes, sir.
Arun, sir. Hello.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
So Bhanu, I can see, I saw your how you have controlled your robot, and I can see that you have done it very well. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So I just have one technical question regarding
Okay,
like
sir.
which type of controllers you use in these robots.
Yes, sir. And transmitter is 8010 and microcontroller is, sir, Sabertooth.
No, I'm not talking about the micro. Have you used some programming language to do this all programming?
No, sir. Only I'm reset the settings, sir.
You have just
Reset the settings.
Acha, reset the settings.
Like transmitter to receiver, sir.
Acha, okay. So, I can see, I saw that you have just shown the degree of freedom, like 1 degree of freedom, isn't it?
Yes.
For your robot, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell me something about this degree of freedom about your robots?
360. Yes, sir. 360.
360 degrees. So it can rotate like in all directions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine, Bhanu. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, over to the other judges if they have any questions.
No, I'm done. Dr. Guruprasad, if any.
Sir, right now he is not available.
Okay, right.
We can
Fine,
continue.
then we can proceed to part 2.
Okay.
Our next team is led by Hitesh Nayak from St. Joseph Engineering College, Bamanjur, Mangalore. The team members are Kartik KC and Adnan NS. Team ID is NAV40RSCOL602. I request the technical team to play their video, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh from Terra Building from St. Joseph Engineering College, and this is my team.
I am Adnan from St. Joseph Engineering College.
And one more teammate is missing, he is out of town.
So the track measurements are
This is total 15 feet.
15 feet. This is 10 plus 5. 10 feet.
10. 5 feet. Then radius of 2 feet. 2 feet. So let's start.
Yes, boys, set.
The team members are not available at the moment, so we'll skip to the next team.
Our next team is led by Litesh from St. Joseph Engineering College, Vamanjur, Mangalore. The team members are KR Sachit and Karthik. The team ID is NAV 4.0 RSCOL 603. I request technical team to play the video, please.
Hello, my name is Litesh from Team Terrible 2 from St. Joseph Engineering College, Mangalore. These are my teammates.
Hi, my name is KR Sachi. Hi, my name is Karthi. I am gonna control the RC car.
So measurement goes like this. Ten plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. And curve with radius of 2 feet. 2 feet. Yes. So start.
The team members are not present right now, so we can move to our next team.
Our next team is led by Vivian Joel from St. Joseph Engineering College. The team members are Hrithik P. Kotian and Suhas. Team ID is NAV 4.0 RSCOL 604. I request the technical team to play the video, please.
Hi, I'm Vivian Joel D'Souza from Team Terrible SJC Mangalore, and these are my teammates.
Hi, I'm Suhas.
I'm Ritik.
Let's start with the dimensions of the track. So we have 15 feet of straight curve, straight track. This is 10 feet, and this is 5 feet. So it is a 15 feet straight track and radius of 2 feet. So let's start with the race. 3, 2, 1, go.
Our next team is led by Shubham Shinde from JSPM Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering, Pune. The team members are Shreyas Badati and Yashdeep Patil. The team ID is NAV 4.0 RSCOL 606. I request technical team to play the video, please.
Hello, I am Shubham Shinde.
I am Shreyas Badde. I am Yashdeep Patil.
Our team name is Team 01 and now we are participating in the Robo Sprint event, and this is my ID COL 606.
Arena dimensions 1 feet track width, inner track width 4 feet, Inner radius 2 feet. Outer radius 3 feet. Length of the arena 10 feet plus. 15 feet in total. Measurement of the bot 21 centimeter. Okay. Operator ready? Yes. Sir, run starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
I request our technical team to please unmute all the participants, and I request all the judges to please interact with our participants. Participants, please unmute.
Question to team number 606 ID.
Participants, please turn on your camera.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Is it
Yes,
team
please.
number 606?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any specific reason you used wired control?
Yes, sir. We use wire control.
Any specific reason why you used it?
Sir, we get more precision on wire. That's why we used it.
Okay, but in case it is remote wireless requirement, would you be able to demonstrate the same level of competency?
We haven't tried it yet, but we will do it, sir. Yes, definitely.
Okay. Fine. Any more questions from the co-panelists?
Nothing from my side.
Roger.
Our next team is led by Rupesh Kedari from JSPM Rajshri Sahu College of Engineering, Pune. The team members are Yash Tartre and Ashutosh Satuvar. Team ID is NAV 4.0 RSCOL 608. I request the technical team to play their video.
Hello, I am Rupesh Kedari.
Hello, I am Ashutosh Sadurwar. Our third member is absent due to COVID emergency.
Our team name is Team Dhruva 2 and our team ID is COL 608. And now we are playing RoboSprint. Arena dimensions 1 feet track width, 4 feet inner track width, curve radius, inner curve radius 2 feet, outer curve radius 3 feet. Length of the arena 10 feet plus
5 15 feet in total. Dimensions of the board 20.5 centimeters. Okay. Operator ready?
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Run starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. Nice.
I request the technical team to kindly add the participants as panelists. I request the team members to accept the request. And I invite our judges to interact with the participants, please. Team members, kindly unmute yourselves and turn on your cameras. I request our judges to interact, please.
Yeah. Team 608.
Yes, sir.
Have you estimated what is the net time after the measurement you took for taking the entire lap, defined lap?
Sir, 55 seconds.
Okay. And any specific reason wired communication was used?
Yes, sir, because wireless precision is more in wireless, sir. Lag कम मिलता है सर इसमें wireless में wire में.
Okay. So, but there was no rider of using wireless. Fine. What was contribution of all the three members?
Sorry, sir.
You formed a 3-member team, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What was the contribution of all the 3 members? You have segregated the execution amongst 3, or you did the overlapping?
सर मैं ऑपरेटर था और एक टीम मेंबर था. एक कोविड की वजह से आ नहीं सका, तो हम दोनों ने एक नया रन बनाया और मैंने ऑपरेट किया.
Okay. Fine. Dr. Arun, please.
Sure. So I mean, this team also, I observed that they have used wired communication. So just I have a single question. That suppose if you use wireless communication, then what sort of problems you face?
सर वायरलेस में लैग मिलता है हमें, मतलब टाइम लैग होता है, कुछ एग्जैक्ट एक्शन नहीं मिलते हमें, प्रिसिजन नहीं मिलता.
Okay. So for that, because of that, probably you don't have that much control on the robot. Is that okay? Is that the thing? Okay, fine. Probably you can't hear me.
Sir,
Okay.
I have one question. Team Dhruv.
That's it. That's it from my side.
Okay. Sir, I have one question.
Please.
Hello, Team Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
Have you calculate power required by your robot? Have you calculate?
12 volts, sir.
What is the unit of power?
Watt, sir.
So I'm asking power which is used by your robot.
36 watts, sir.
Okay, around 36 watts.
Yes.
Have you calculate how? कैसे करा calculate?
Sorry, sir.
आपने पावर कैलकुलेट किया था? कैसे किया? 36 कैसे आया?
P is equal to V into I, sir.
तो
Power
आपने
requirement is equal to voltage into.
हाँ ओके, तो आई आपने कैसे मेजर किया? आपने किया मेजर किया था?
Yes, sir.
कैसे?
Sir, voltage is 12. Hello.
Okay, yes, you audible. बोलो.
Voltage 12 volts, sir. Hello. Or 3 ampere power coins.
Okay, fine. Done from my side.
So our next team is led by Om Pandya from JSPM Rajshri Sahu College of Engineering, Pune. The team members are Siddharth Jadhav and Pushkar Mahamune. The team ID is NAV 4.0 RS COL 609. I request a technical team to play the video.
My name is Om Pandya.
Hello, my name is Siddharth. The third member is not present in the college due to COVID pandemic.
Our event is RoboSprint. My team name is Team Dhruv 3 and my code is COL 609.
Okay. Arena dimensions. Track width 1 feet. Inner track width 4 feet. Inner radius 2 feet. Outer radius 3 feet. Length of the arena 10 feet plus. Five feet. Okay. Dimensions of the bot 20.5 centimeters. Okay. Operator ready? Yes. Run starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Nice.
I request a technical team to please add the participants in a panelist list. And I request judges to please interact with the participants.
No questions. No questions from my side. 2609.
No questions even from my side.
Okay, sir.
Our next team is led by Umang Agrawal from JSPM Rajshri Sahu College of Engineering, Pune. The team members are Rishikesh Unde and Vikrant Patil. Team ID is NAV 4.0 RS COL 6110. I request technical team to play their video, please.
Hello, I am Umang Agarwal.
Hi, I am Vikrant Patil.
Hello, myself Rishikesh Unde.
Our team name is Team Dhruv 4. We are participating in RoboSprint. He is our operator. Our team ID is COL610.
Dimensions of the arena: 1 feet width of the arena, 4 feet interior width of the arena, 2 feet inner radius, 3 feet outer radius. Length of the arena: 10 feet plus 15, total 15 feet. Dimensions of the board: 21.5 centimeters. Operator ready?
Yes.
Run starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
I request the technical team to kindly add the participants in the panel's list, and I request the judges to please interact with the participants.
Yes, ma'am. Any questions?
No, thank you. Thank you, participants.
Thank you so much, sir.
Team 610.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you.
Good day. Good.
Arun, any questions? I request everyone to wait for 5 to 10 minutes as the results are being evaluated. Till then, we request to have a look on these videos, please.
अगर आपको इंजीनियरिंग का फील्ड अच्छा लगता है और आप इसके विभिन्न विषयों को सीखने की चाह रखते हैं तो मैकेट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग में कैरियर बनाने के बारे में सोच सकते हैं। मैकेट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग की एक मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी फील्ड है जो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग, कंट्रोल इंजीनियरिंग और कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग का मिक्सचर है। मूल रूप से मैकेट्रॉनिक्स में मैकेनिक्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स शामिल है। इस प्रकार यह शब्द मैकेनिक्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का एक मिक्सचर है। आज टेक्नोलॉजीज बहुत ही ज्यादा विकसित और एक दूसरे से मिल चुकी हैं, जिस वजह से यह शब्द काफी विस्तृत हो गया है। मैकेट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर वे होते हैं जो ऑटोमेटेड इक्विपमेंट्स को डिजाइन और मेंटेन करते हैं। ये प्रोफेशनल्स अपना वर्क लैब, ऑफिस और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट्स में करते हैं। इनका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव सेफ और एफिशिएंट ऑटोमेटेड मशीन्स को डिजाइन करना होता है। मैकेट्रॉनिक्स अपनी उपयोगिता के कारण आज विभिन्न मौजूदा इंजीनियरिंग विषयों में सबसे ज्यादा एक्टिव है। मैकेट्रॉनिक्स में इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री करने वाले छात्र सिस्टम डिजाइन करने के लिए अपनी स्किल्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग कंट्रोल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और कंप्यूटर डिवाइस द्वारा प्रोडक्ट्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर सकते हैं। अगर आप भी मैकेट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग में करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, so you can join our BTech course in Mechatronics from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Sri Vaishnav Institute of Technology and Science and Institute of Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalay, Indore. Feel free to contact or visit at www.svvv.edu.in.
Now the wait is over. After the discussion with judges, the winners is congratulations, Team 602. I request our faculty coordinator, Mr. Swapnil Jain sir, to extend the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to one and all. As we come to the closure of RoboSprint of Navyantram 4.0, it's my privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of organizing team to all those who helped us in making this event such a resounding success. I want to express my gratitude to our judges, Dr. Arun Sunania, Mr. Sunil Vyas, and Dr. K.N. Guruprasad for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing the event with their presence. I am very grateful to Dr. Upender Dhar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shri Vaishnav Vidyapith Vishwavidyalaya, who gave us this opportunity to organize this event and for providing us with all possible support towards conducting the event. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Namit Gupta, Director SVITS, for continuous guidance and inspiration, which has greatly helped us in successfully organizing this event. No event can take shape without hardworking leaders. It was the dedication and enthusiasm of our convener, Professor Lalit Bhavrela and Professor Sandeep Jain, which made this event possible in online mode. I express my heartfelt gratitude towards them for their enormous cooperation and organization of Navyantram 4.0. My thanks also go to all the faculty coordinators who have given their precious time in organizing the various events. In particular, I would like to acknowledge and thanks Mr. Ravindra Sharma and Ms. Alka Karkata for managing RoboSprint. I am also thankful to all the student coordinators and volunteers who have greatly helped us in organizing these events. I acknowledge and thanks the unwavering support from the faculty members and staff members. And last but not the least, thank you all the participants for being with us for the participate actively in this event. We are looking forward for your future cooperation. I once again thank everyone who contributed and made this event a successful event. Thank you all. Thank you for being with us.
Our aspiration must reform, upgrade, and enlarge our current system to make it relevant to the 21st century reality. I hope this experience motivated you for the same. I thank you all for your time.
Thank you, everyone.
1, 2, 3.
अब सर पार्टी
Alok sir.
पढ़ा होगा सभी ने दादा भाई है ना तो
Yes sir.
इसमें क्या